Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So come and shop with me at the Dollar General. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.